This is the Neewer ST200 camera rig. Alright, well, here it is. Alright, so what do we have? We have a couple little clamps, some screws, a tool and some screws, and this is that quick attach. Okay. Alright, so the one problem that I discovered, this table is like not even 20 inches, so these ones to go in the end. I was expecting something much lighter duty. Okay, so I'm going to say these go in here. I'll leave them loose for the moment. Alright, so we have our camera mount. I wonder which way I should put the button. Probably up, huh? Yeah, that's tight and crooked. Now it's straight. And we'll put this one over here. So I think the purpose of these is if you wanted a backdrop. That's why they give you these little clamps. So you can, wow, that's stiff. Holy cow. So before I put the camera on, I'm going to show you what it looks like here. A little closer. Looks pretty darn good, right? Yeah. I think that's going to be a lot more stable than what I was using. So these ones by Neewer have offset legs. Why is that important? Well, because your camera hangs off the center bar, so technically it is offset. Meaning that if this was centered, your camera would actually be out here. So you would have to push this whole assembly back, if you have enough desk space, in order to get it centered on the table. The Neewer ST200 comes with this quick release clamp that you just press the button. You can also flip it out to lock it so it can't be accidentally released. And then what I do is I use a dummy battery. Oh, I guess also by Neewer. I didn't realize that. I plug in my dummy battery. I leave the battery door open because there's clearance for it. Lock it in. Plug in my HDMI cord. I have this microphone with the backwards handle. So it ends up looking like this. And then I just plug this into the camera. I'm not really super worried about cable management with this because when I'm done, I take this out and I put it in the cabinet. So, yeah. This gets the microphone down closer to where I'm talking. When I had it mounted up on the camera, I had to have my in-camera volume or gain or whatever for the microphone turned up to about 18. With it down here, I can lower it to about 12. So yeah, works a lot better. The lens I'm using on here is a Sigma 18 to 50, and I find that this works really well. I can get close, if I want a real close up of something, or I can back it up some to get more of the table in view. Down here we have an arm with the Portkeys PT6 display. Yeah. So you're seeing the red because it outlines red whatever it's focused on. And I find that helpful to make sure that my shots are in focus when I'm showing something. Yeah. I keep my dry erase board here so that I can write down some notes of things that I want to talk about. All in all, I'm super impressed with this setup. So what do you think? Pretty cool, right? So again, the model of this one is the Neewer ST200. It's available on Amazon. The price when I purchased it was $134, I believe. So I'll leave a link down below. You can check the price on it and see what you think. So this is basically, I think, a newer model of the ST100 that's been out for over a year. This one's been out, like I said, a little over a couple of months, so it's basically a newer version. A little bit narrower in width than the previous version. But yeah, I'm super impressed with it. What can I say? So, if you're looking for the best overhead camera setup, go with something like this and skip all those other ones. They're just not worth your time. They're shaky. You bump the desk a little bit and it's all one more time. Yeah. So all right. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.